Hi guys, welcome back to the course. So in this course, what we are going to see is if you are going to run catalog ads, then how can you upload your catalog and what is the location of that link wherein you can reach your catalogs and probably upload either millions of products or even just a single product. So for catalog, what you need to do is you need to go down to all tools. You just need to click over here and go at the extreme bottom. You can see over here Commerce Manager. Just click on that. Click on Get Started. As you can see, for shop, we need to have a physical shop that we are basically selling the physical products. Then we can create a shop or else we can create a catalog. So as you can see, it says here add products, vehicles, properties for rent and more and choose different ways to promote them. You can start with just one item or maybe millions of items. All right. Now click on get started once you are basically creating a catalog. Now as you can see there are four different options. There were many options that was showing, but in the latest update of Facebook, they are basically showing this four options. So e-commerce, if the products are sold online, clothes and all, just the way you can just see the particular emojis as well, the line drawings. Travel, property and auto, will just select the e-commerce. An online product or local product, we need to select that as well. So we do not have a local inventory. These are just online products. Just click on next. And now what we can do is we can connect a platform for the entire catalog to be automatically pulled into the Facebook, or else we can also upload the items manually or in bulk or use Facebook Pixel. Okay, so there are two different options. Let's just go ahead with one of it. Anything works. Let's just connect a partner platform and see. So there are different partners. We basically are based on WooCommerce. We are going to click over here and we can directly click on go to WooCommerce and upload our entire product on Facebook. Okay, because the entire site that we had is based on WooCommerce. Or else what we can do is we can also do this: upload product info, add your info to you, or in bulk or use Facebook Pixel. So we have a catalog name, which is catalog name is provided here. The business name is being mentioned over here. We can click on create and then we can select the entire um, basically our entire place where all of the products will be pulled on. Now we do not have any product as of now in this catalog because the domain that we have mapped does not have any products listed. But this is the entire process of how you can manage and create your catalog. Now a few tips and tricks. Let's consider that if you are looking to spy on your competitors, there are a few tips and tricks that I would like to just continue within this entire video itself. First of all, what you can do is you can go to Facebook ad library. Let's consider that we want to check the kind of ads are being run by ClickFunnels. We can just search ClickFunnels. All right. So Facebook ads library is where we basically can see all the kinds of ads that are being run by the brands all over the world. Okay. So as of now, I have selected it as, we will just select it as all and then add category as this one. Let's just, probably if not this one, then probably something else. We can do that as well. Click on ClickFunnels. Okay. Okay, these are the ads that they have. So this is one way of spying on your competitors. If in case you have whichever competitor you have, you can directly open up their open up your Facebook ads library and can look at the videos or the content that they are running and the kind of text that they have written, all of their copywriting. You can scan it from here itself. The other way is if you are getting the actual ad, you can click on three dots and click why am I seeing this ad? This is another way to basically figure out all of the target audiences or the kind of interest or demographic. There would be some of the details that the ad would reveal as to why you were targeted within that particular ad. So you will get some ideas to run your own advertisements as well. Okay, so I hope you understand how we basically can create our commerce ads and what are the tips and tricks if in case we are trying to target and get ahead of our competitors. So thank you for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.